Okay, for the guys that want to install this winch in back of your car, so this thing pretty much, if you buy one of these, part number 76420, and you got screw here, it's very easy to put on. And on this side it will give you, might have to take off the muffler. Yeah, you're gonna if you can, I don't think you're gonna be able to manage this. So there's gonna be a couple of bolts on this side here. You're gonna take out that muffler, and 2 bolts and 2 bolts, that's it, and this baby goes on. And that's how simple that is. I will drop this muffler a bit down. So all you're gonna do is take out this hanger, and let it kind of come down. Don't let it force, don't bend it. Let it come down, and then you should be able to put your bolts, and once it locks up, that's it. There's only 2 hangers. I'm not sure if there's one on this side. Oh yeah, there's one back there. 1, 2, 3 hangers, and then you should be able to get that on. I like this little guy right here, because usually they're rattle. This is an anti-rattle little mechanism right here, so you could probably buy a plate and do that to your car. I know some customer have been telling me to stick a screw in there because it's been moving around too much, but that works great there.